In this week's blog post, we'll take a closer look at how we can go about using Silicon Coach to assess a runner's mechanics and their impact upon run performance. Last week, I touched upon the importance of maintaining a forward lean, that is, a forward pelvic and torso lean when running. Today, we'll dive into the physics behind this statement. As you can see here, when attaining a pelvic and torso angle of somewhere between 7 to 14 degrees, depending upon where you are during the stride cycle, you're actively using gravity and momentum towards your advantage. As you can see here, I'm basically falling into my next stride. So I'm deriving a major mechanical advantage by simply positioning myself in a forward position. The next thing we're going to look at is how my pelvic and torso angle affects where my center of gravity is falling during the stride cycle. As you can see here, when leaning into it, my center of gravity is actually occurring just out in front of my body. And if we were to draw a straight line between where my foot is striking and my center of gravity, you'll notice that they're in line. This is very important, that if you're overstriding, and that is to say that your foot is striking out in front of your center of gravity, you're actively putting the brakes on with each foot strike, and that's something we definitely want to avoid. There's going to be a number of drills and form work that we're going to discuss as we move forward that will help you to attain this forward position when running. So make sure that you stay tuned to our future blog posts.